glow, the flame responds like it's aware of ancient bonds. The smoke don't rise, it dances wide like secrets floating in the tide. The room is still, the breath is thin, but every pull ignites within. No preacher here, no sacred text, just quiet truth that stands unvexed. I feel the stars behind my skin, a pull that comes from deep within. Not voices loud, but presence near, like I'm not lost, just placed right here. I've walked in doubt, I've chased the signs, but now I drift between the lines. The smoke don't ask, it just reveals the parts of me that never kneel. The smoke knows things we can't explain. It heals in ways that numb the pain. It shows the path without a sound. It lifts you up without the ground. Out the ground. The sky ain't high, it's just our view. When you expand, you see it too. The boundaries fade, the names dissolve. You stop to search, you just evolve. I felt the walls begin to bend, like life don't start and it don't end. Just spirals wide and waves that hum, and in that flow we all become. The smoke don't save, it don't erase, but it reveals a quiet place where pain don't scream and joy don't flash, where being still ain't just a crash. I used to think the truth was loud, a blinding light that struck the crowd, but now I know it moves like air. It's always there, but only fair. The smoke knows things we can't explain. It heals in ways that numb the pain. It shows the path without a sound. It lifts you up without the ground. So when I burn and close my eyes, I'm not escaping, I just rise. No need for proof, no need to pose. I float in peace, cause the smoke knows. The smoke knows. For 10 straight minutes, bro. Don't ask me why, I still don't know. The fan was spinning like a sign, and then it winked, or maybe I'm high. The floor felt soft, the light looked warm. My hands forgot their normal form. The window waved, the fridge on back, and all made sense while off the track. I told my thoughts to take a walk. They rolled a joint and started talk. One said chill, the other breathe. I took a hit and let them leave. The world's a trip when you zoom out, like ducks in line with silent doubt. But when you're high, it's all just flow, a cosmic joke, you kinda know. High for no reason, and that's just fine. No need for answers, no finish line. High for no reason, and feeling right. I float like leaves and blink at light. My phone just buzzed, I let it be. It might be Mars or just some feet. The couch became a little boat. I closed my eyes and stayed afloat. I had deep thoughts, then they escaped. They danced around and changed their shape. One looked like toast, another sang. I swear this weed got angel slang. I called the moon and said what's up. It winked once more and filled my cup. It's not about the deep inside. Sometimes it's just a damn good night. No pain to fix, no goals to check, no calls to make, no need to flex. Just me alive, some mellow sound, and gravity don't weigh me down. High for no reason, and that's just fine. No need for answers, no finish line. High for no reason, and feeling right. I float like leaves and blink at light. So if you see me lost in space, don't pull me back. I like this place, not chasing truth, not hiding pain. Just high for nothing and high again.
They say the best things don't cost much, just some green and human touch. We've all been broke, we've all felt lost, but right now none of that's the cost. No fake flex, no place for fame. We light and share, it's not a game. Each face here holds its own lane, but we all chill beneath the same flame. The stories flow, the moments land. You dab a tear, I tap your hand. No shame to show what's in your chest. We don't compete, we just digest. And when it fades, we'll go our ways. Back to the grind, the shifting maze. But for right now, we're just alive. Same smoke, same breath, same vibe. Same smoke, same vibe, we ride it slow. No place to get, no need to know. Same cloud, same beat, just floating free. One spark, one breath, that's unity. So if you find this kind of crew who light you up and see you true, keep them close, don't let them slide. Same smoke, same love, same vibe. fast, I slow. No voices here, no calls to take. Just me and thoughts I can't unmake. The smoke curls up like something real, a shape to match the things I feel. No judgment here, no need to lie. The silence listens better than I. I'm not afraid of being still. I've learned that space can also heal. Some truths appear when lights are gone. When nothing's loud, you hear what's wrong. The walls don't talk, but they've seen me break and rebuild so quietly. I'm not a ghost, I'm not a flame. I'm just alone and not ashamed. Alone with the smoke, I feel more whole. No mask, no rush, no need to roll. The world don't stop, but I don't chase. I sit, I burn, I hold my space. Alone with the smoke, I disappear. But somehow still I'm most sincere. I've had the noise, I've played the part, but none of that could touch my heart. I smiled too much, I spoke too loud, but still felt small inside the crowd. So now I fade where I belong, in ash and air and ambient song. Not lost, not found, not high, not low, just somewhere deep the currents flow. I let the memories rise and pass. Some stick like scars, some turn to gas. But I don't fight, I let them roam. They'll always find their way back home. I'm not depressed, I'm not withdrawn. I'm just aware of what feels gone. And in this space with lungs and light, I'm finally still and almost right. Alone with the smoke, I feel more whole. No mask, no rush, no need to roll. The world don't stop, but I don't chase. I sit, I burn, I hold my space. Alone with the smoke, I disappear. But somehow still I'm most sincere. So don't mistake my quiet ways. Some souls don't shine in loud displays. I'm not asleep, I'm not broke, I'm just at peace. Alone with smoke. Alone with smoke. Alone with smoke.
There's something here I can't define, a quiet thread between the lines. It shows itself when smoke is near, not loud, not clear, but still sincere. I light, I wait, I let it flow, and thoughts appear I didn't know. Like voices soft from far away, not here to preach, just here to stay. It ain't religion, not a creed. It don't require me to plead. Just breath and time and slowing down, and somehow truth starts hanging round. I've chased the answers, begged for signs, but they don't come from roads or lines. They show up when the mind is still, like smoke that moves against your will. There's something beyond what we can say. It comes in quiet, then drifts away. You feel it most when you're alone. Not lost, not found, just overgrown. It ain't in books, it ain't in rules. It's not reserved for saints or fools. It lives drought, it hums in rain. Sometimes it knocks, sometimes it waits, sometimes it hides behind the gates. But when I'm high, I see it move like breath that bends but won't approve. I don't pretend to understand, some things ain't built to hold in hand. But when I sit and close my eyes, I swear I hear a deeper rise. No need to name it, that feels wrong. Some truths are best kept wrapped in song. So I just float, I don't impose, I just inhale and let it close. There's something beyond what we can say. It comes in quiet, then drifts away. You feel it most when you're alone. Not lost, not found, just overgrown. So if you feel it when you smoke, don't rush to fix what never broke. It's not a goal, it's not a bond, it's just a glimpse of something beyond.